Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I will show you how I made this 360 wig. If this looks like all interest you, watch the video to the end. You need a canvas head. I had already wrapped my canvas hair with nylon because I don't have a maxing tape. You need a Swiss lace. So just watch what I'm doing. Then if you have any question, please kindly drop it at the comment section.
Kamzarastv.
So I'm just going to sew this with a thread and needle. But there is the perfect thread for it. That transparent thread, but I don't have it. So I had to use the milk color thread. After, if you are using this kind of thread, you can use your concealer to color it when you're done. Okay, but it's not even going to show. By the time you ventilate on the net, it won't show. So you're just going to sew and then we'll repeat this process at the other side. Okay, just watch what I'm doing. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much. I love you guys. Then my followers, thank you so much. I love you all. Then if you're here to subscribe or follow, what are you waiting for? Support your girl.
Kamzarastv.
This is a closure wig. This is the wig I want to convert to a 360 wig. So I'm just going to lose the wig off camera and I'll still make use of the cap. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Kamzarastv.
So I'm going to start ventilating on this point, like 2 inches to the black side of the net, 2 inches on the net. If you look closely, you'll see, you can zoom it to see it. The part where I used blue chalk to mark, that's the point I'll start ventilating. So we'll start with one strand of hair. We'll just start with a strand of hair. The remaining parts, I'm going to pick 2 to 3 strands of hair Okay, this is the most important part of the whole thing. Just get it. You're going to start with one strand. And what I did there was I ventilated on one line and I skipped one line. Then on the hole, I ventilated on one hole and skipped one hole. Okay, are we good?
Kamzarastv.
So for this part, you're going to, the closure is going to face you. I don't know if you understand what I mean. So you're going to ventilate up, not down. Okay? At least half of it, you can pick 2 to 3 strands of hair. Then 2 inches to the finishing, you should pick one strand. Okay? You don't want it looking too bulky. At least you give it this, it will give it this natural look when you pick one strand of hair from 2 inches to finishing. I don't know if you understand what I meant, but just watch the video. Okay, then I'll see you in my next one. Bye.
Kamzarastv.